You want to see this? Watch. Some money. Is this it? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, ID card. Before we play, if your hand hits me, I'm gonna hit you back. Hold on. Okay.
That's not fair. That's not right. And it's just too bad. Regardless, it was an impressive innovation, one that grabbed headlines the world over. Well, today,
I'm not even gonna look.
The press
This is how you know I'm a pro.
Because you're looking at that.
No, I'm not, for real.
You can close your eyes. Oh, look, your hands are like way too small for this.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I present to you the new face of the military.
Hey, wait.
I was winning.
No, she wasn't. That's wrong.
With your other hand.
Technically, my other hand is the best.
Is this still Iron Man?
Yeah, it's just like a different part.
You know the song?
Yeah, it's like the. Yeah, there's life. You're so cute. I like them the most though.
Maybe I feel like a puppy when you say that.
Yeah.
You're so cute. For real.
Why?
That's a hell of a lot better than some cheerleaders, let me tell you. But as revolutionary as this technology is, there will always be a need for man to be present in the theater of war. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am proud to present to you the very first prototype in the Variable Threat Response Battlesuit and its pilot, Air Force Lieutenant
My
Colonel
hair's
James
bothering me
Rhodes.
so much.
Why? Dude.
We're watching Iron Man.
Dude, it's
Smile.